Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with QuickSight using SSO and custom roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with QuickSight using single sign-on, or SSO, you first need to ensure that your AWS account is configured correctly. Access the AWS Management Console and navigate to the QuickSight service. Next, go to the Manage QuickSight section. In this section, select Security and Permissions. To set up SSO, you will need an identity provider, or IDP, that supports SAML. Choose your preferred IDP, such as Okta, Azure AD, or OneLogin. Follow your IDP's documentation to create an application for QuickSight. Make sure to configure the SAML assertion settings per AWS QuickSight's requirements. Now, proceed to the QuickSight Management Console once the IDP application is set up. In the Manage QuickSight section, navigate to SSO settings. Update the SSO configuration by providing the relevant IDP metadata. This includes the SSO URL and the certificate needed for SAML authentication. Save your changes to confirm the SSO setup. Next, you will need to configure custom roles within QuickSight. Go back to Manage QuickSight and select Custom Permissions. Create a new permission set that suits your organization's needs. Define the actions and data sources you want to grant access to. After saving your custom role, assign this role to users or groups. You can do this by going to Users or Groups in the Manage QuickSight section. Select the user or group and attach the custom role. Once your roles are in place, test the login process through your IDP. Initiate a login attempt to QuickSight from the IDP portal. If everything is configured correctly, you should be redirected to QuickSight without further prompts. Ensure users can access the data and reports as intended based on the custom roles assigned. If any issues arise, double-check the SAML settings and custom role configurations. With these steps completed, you have successfully set up SSO authentication in QuickSight using custom roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.